All right, I'm just getting all of my country gravy out of this 10-ounce can and into my pie crust. All right, now I'm just coming in with 5 eggs. I'm just gonna put these right on top of that gravy. Now I wanna give this a little bit extra protein, so I am just adding in these fully cooked chorizo crumbles. You could use a regular breakfast sausage if you like, but I thought this would give a really great flavor. Now I'm gonna use a triple cheddar, and I'm probably gonna put about 1.5 cups of this in here. Ooh, perfect. Now I'm just gonna come in with my pre-diced onions. Of course, you can use just an onion powder. You can omit the onions entirely if you don't like them, but I love them with the gravy and that sausage. We're gonna just season this with a little bit of crushed black pepper. Look at that, perfect. I always forget to do that, to take the lid off the bottom. But anyway, I like a lot of black pepper, and now just a little bit of salt. Can't have eggs without salt and pepper. And a little bit of garlic powder. I like garlic powder in everything. It's heart healthy. Alrighty, I am just gonna start mixing this all together. We're gonna incorporate those eggs with that sausage and gravy. I'm gonna break those yolks, and I'm just gonna start getting this. Look, this is gonna be such a decadent breakfast. This is like a weekend breakfast, like I would have for me and my husband. Just so tasty. He's from the South, so he loves country gravy. And this is just a quick, easy way to do it. Say you slept in a little bit on a Saturday, you were lingering in bed, and you wanted to give him an extra special breakfast. This is the perfect recipe. It's just so easy, tasty, protein, healthy, keep you going all day long. Perfect for a Sunday too, especially if it's just you and one other person, and you know your kids have already left home and you're just feeding a couple people. This is perfect. Now that we've got our pie all mixed, our breakfast country gravy, you can't have gravy without biscuits. So I am just gonna grab some of these Pillsbury biscuits. I'm gonna place them right on top. This is how we're gonna make our crust. And I'm just gonna lay these babies in here ever so gently. Now you could brush these with an egg wash or a butter, but I want it to be really easy to clean up today. So I'm just gonna use my butter pan and spray that right on top of these biscuits. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes and then we'll be ready to eat. Alrighty y'all, we had this in the oven at 300 degrees for 35 minutes. Oh, it looks amazing. These biscuits are so brown and perfectly cooked. And you know what? I'm gonna grab a piece right now for Marty. He likes his eggs a little runny. And of course we got that gravy in here, so it's got some liquid. But y'all, this is gonna be so delicious. I'm just gonna get all the way under that crust. I got my crust, my gravy, my chorizo sausage, my egg. Ooh, this looks so good. All right, you guys, I'm taking this to surprise Marty. You gotta try it.